The Wabi-Sabi House by Aslam Sham Architects in KOZHIKODE, India. Designing a home for a close friend is indeed a unique and challenging experience, as it blends personal connection with professional creativity. It's akin to pouring your heart and soul into a project because you share a deep understanding of the person's preferences and desires. When Vysakh approached us with his vision for his dream home, it felt as though we were embarking on a shared journey to craft a space that would encapsulate his aspirations and our design philosophy. Wabi-Sabi, a captivating Japanese concept, serves as the foundational ethos of this project. It encourages us to embrace the beauty found in imperfections and the transient nature of life. This philosophy permeates every aspect of the house, making it a sanctuary of authenticity and nostalgia. Drawing inspiration from the Anglo-Indian architectural heritage, which Vysakh holds close to his heart, the design consciously blends the old with the new. The house pays homage to the elegance and charm of this style while infusing a contemporary color palette and design elements that resonate with modern sensibilities. One striking feature of this dwelling is its fearless and bold use of colors. Vibrant hues are thoughtfully incorporated throughout the space, reflecting the dynamic personality of the homeowner. These colors breathe life into the interiors, evoking emotions and creating a lively atmosphere that constantly evolves. Another noteworthy element is the use of repurposed materials, particularly the old-school shopfront wooden planks. These planks, which carry the stories of a bygone era, find new life in this design. They serve as a reminder of the beauty that lies in reusing and repurposing, a testament to the sustainability aspect that underscores the project's ethos. The house doesn't aim to conform to conventional norms but rather stands as a unique statement of individuality and style. Its humble and simplistic form remains deeply rooted in its context, allowing it to seamlessly blend with the surrounding environment while maintaining a strong sense of identity. In every corner and detail of this house, you'll find a reflection of Vysakh's dreams, our design philosophy, and the overarching theme of Wabi-Sabi. It's a dwelling that embraces imperfection, celebrates nostalgia, and creates an enduring connection between its occupants and their surroundings. As we continue to work on this project, we're excited to see how it will evolve into a timeless and cherished home, not just for Vysakh but for all of us who have contributed to its creation.